I'm Michael from Fugo, and today I'll be walking you through the Triggers feature. Let's head to the Triggers tab to get started. Let's hit Create Trigger, and let's add a name. Now we'll add a source, so in this case HubSpot, and let's use contacts, and then contact created. What this means is when a contact is created in HubSpot, something will happen on Fugo. Using the Filters tab, you can narrow down when this trigger will activate. For now, let's proceed without any, and let's add some content. You can add anything you'd like, but in this case, let's use the dynamic message property, where we can add a message that will change depending on the event. So in this case, we can use the first name of the contact that's created. Now we can add the screen on which this will appear. Let's hit Create Trigger. Now we can head to HubSpot, and we can create a contact. Now that a contact is created on HubSpot, we can head to our screen, and then in a moment, we will see our message coming through.